combination, this Cartooni model helicopter. See here a toy. This is a Cartooni model police car. Jeep. See this four-wheeler Jeep. This is a red, black, white and green color combination. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, today I have a empty bucket. So friends, today now I will find some toy vehicles in this place and collect in these buckets. Wasting any more time, let's go. Oh friends, at first is here a Cartooni model car. This is yellow, black and silver color combination. This nice Cartooni model car. So I collect this one at my bucket here. And next one. Whoa, next one is here a Jeep. See this four-wheeler Jeep. This is a red, black, white and green color combination. This nice four-wheeler Jeep. Another one is here. Oh, another one is here. A realistic model plastic animal truck. This is a pink, yellow and black color combination. This nice animal truck. Friends, I see here a dirt bike. This is a white, red and blue color combination. This nice dirt bike. This is a realistic model plastic toy. So I collect this one at my bucket here. Another one is here. This is a very small size Cartooni Jeep. This is a blue and black color combination. This nice Jeep. Friends, you can see here a toy. This is a Cartooni model police car. This is a pink, red and green color combination. This nice Cartooni model police car. So I collect this one at my bucket. What is this here? Oh friend, this is a drum truck, six-wheeler mini size plastic drum truck. This is yellow, black and red color combination. This nice drum truck. One more here in the jungle. This is a realistic model plastic power Beku. Here is yellow and black color combination. This nice power Beku. Next one. Yes, friend. Here is one more helicopter. This is red and pink color combination. This Cartooni model helicopter. Wow. Next one. Oh friends, here is a super bus. See this wrap super bus. This is red and black color combination. This nice plastic six-wheeler wrap super bus. Now I find a funny toy Tom drum here. This is paste white and yellow color combination. This Tom drum. Oh friends, here a fighter jet. This is a mini size realistic model fighter jet. Wow. This is red, yellow and black color combination. This nice fighter jet. Another one is here. Wow friend, this is a fire truck, realistic model plastic fire truck. Here yellow, red and a black color combination. This nice fire truck. Next one. Yes, next one is here a luxurious car. See this BMW luxurious car. Here red, black and silver color combination. This nice car. see. Oh friends, here is one more a Cartooni car. This is a red, black and silver color combination. This nice Cartooni model car. I also collect this one at my bucket here. And next one is here a mixer truck. This is a blue, red and yellow color combination. This nice mixer truck is a realistic model plastic toy. And here is the last one is a Cartooni model elephant car. This is white, yellow and red color combination. This nice Cartooni model elephant car. So friends, I also collect this one at my bucket, and you can see my bucket is fulfilled with this collecting toy. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe to our channel and waiting for next interesting video with many toy vehicles.